An engine thermostat is a device that controls coolant circulation. It will prevent coolant from flowing through the radiator when the engine is below the operating temperature or when the engine is cold, and then it will allow the coolant to circulate through the radiator when the operating temperature is reached. So by doing so, the thermostat will ensure the engine will reach operating temperature fast enough. Now, when the engine is running on its operating temperature, oil viscosity will be improved and engine performance will be greatly improved, emission will be reduced. So, thermostat is very crucial in ensuring engine reaches operating temperature fast enough. Now, over time, the thermostat can go bad. If the thermostat goes bad, it will prevent coolant circulation through the radiator, or it will allow coolant to circulate the entire time. A car thermostat usually fails by getting stuck either in open position or in closed position. If it is stuck in the closed position like this, it will prevent coolant flow through the radiator that can lead to engine overheating. But if it is closed in an open position like so, it will be opened in such a fashion. If it is stuck in the open position, it will allow coolant to circulate to the radiator the entire time. That can cause operating temperature achievement very difficult. Now, in this video, we are going to look at what are some of the top causes that can lead to thermostat failure. Well, 3 things can cause the thermostat to fail. Number 1 is age, second is wear, and the third one is contamination. Internal wear and tear can cause the thermostat to go bad. The thermostat, if you see right here, internally there is a wax-filled cylinder. Look, right here there is a cylinder. Inside those cylinders there is a wax. Inside that cylinder there is a wax. It is filled with wax and there is a push rod. A tapered push rod is there that is connected to right here. And what will happen is the wax that is filled inside the cylinder will expand when the engine is hot, and it will open this valve. When the wax expands, it will push the push rod assembly, and that can allow this thermostat to open and allow coolant circulation to the radiator. Now this wax can leak sometime. If the cylinder has some crack, the wax can leak. It can become damaged, preventing it from working properly. So if that wax is failing, that will prevent the thermostat from functioning properly. The other cause is if the spring fails. The springs that help the valve to be closed can weaken over time. These springs, they can weaken over time, and that can cause it to fail to open or close as needed. So internal wear and tear can prevent the thermostat from functioning properly. The other thing that can prevent the thermostat from functioning properly is coolant contamination. The condition of your engine coolant is very critical for the thermostat health. If the coolant is filled with corrosion and scale, that can cause the thermostat to go bad. Look at this thermostat, for example. This is rusted. There is corrosion on the thermostat. Right here, you see the cylinder is covered with rust, preventing heat conduction to the cylinder. Contaminated, old, or incorrect coolant can cause rust and scale to build up on the thermostat like this, which can block its movement and it can cause it to stuck. If there is accumulated rust beneath the valve, it will prevent it from sitting properly. And if there is a scale and rust on the cylinder, which can cause the thermal conductivity to reduce, and that can prevent the thermostat from opening at the right time. So contaminants are very damaging to the proper operation of the thermostat. Sometimes if the coolant has debris and sludge, dirt and debris in the cooling system can also physically block the thermostat from opening and closing fully. If there is some debris that is preventing this from sitting properly when it is closing, if there is some foreign particle, foreign debris or sludge preventing it from sitting properly, that can cause the thermostat to remain partially open and preventing it from fully closing, and that can cause the thermostat to function abnormally. The other problems that can lead to thermostat incorrect function is when there is mechanical problem or housing related problem. The thermostat is housed in a component that can also fail. So if the thermostat housing or the place where you are going to place this is damaged, it can lead to failure. The plastic or metal housing that can wrap this, it can crack or it can become distorted due to constant heating and cooling cycle or vibration, and this can cause coolant to leak and eventually the thermostat will fail. So as you can see this right here gasket, it has to sit properly on the housing, and coolant will allow passage of the coolant should be allowed only when the valve opens. But if this is not properly seated, If somehow mechanical problem is there, if it is distorted somehow, that can prevent it from working properly, or it can lead to coolant leak. Leaks from a damaged housing or a bad seal can reduce coolant level, and it can cause this thermostat to malfunction. So these are some of the things that are related to housing and mechanical problems. On some, electrical problems can also be problematic. On modern vehicles, many new cars have thermostats that are controlled by engine computer. If it is electronically controlled, this map-controlled thermostat can fail due to a faulty wiring. It can fail due to bad sensor or a problem with the engine control module itself. So this is some of the things that can lead to thermostat failure. The issue typically causes the thermostat to fail in one or two causes. Either it will remain open, stuck open, or it can cause it to stuck closed. If it is stuck closed, the coolant can't reach the radiator to cool down, which almost always causes rapid and severe engine overheating. Overheating is very damaging to your engine. It can lead to cylinder head gasket failure, warpage of the cylinder head. Engine can even seize if it is not addressed immediately. And the other problem is it will cause it to stuck open. It will not fully sit, it will remain partially open, or it can sometimes get fully open. This is where coolant constantly flows through the radiator, preventing the engine from reaching its proper operating temperature. This can lead to poor fuel economy, weak cabin heat, and increased engine wear. So these are some of the things that can lead to thermostat failure, and these are some of the things that can be resulted from a failing thermostat. So always make sure that your coolant level is in good condition. Always make sure that you are using the correct mix of coolant. Coolant has to be properly mixed. Don't always use water only. Mix it with coolant. Coolant can prevent corrosion, scale from building inside the cooling system. Always make sure that the coolant is clean. If the coolant system have some debris or sludge buildup, flush it. Flushing the cooling system will remove any rust, any debris that can cause thermostat failure of this kind. Look right here, scale and rust. This is basically due to use of water only that can cause rust and that can cause scale to build up. Sludge can build up on the thermostat, preventing its effective operation. So always make sure that you properly clean your cooling system, have a cooling flush done periodically, and always use the correct mix of water and antifreeze or coolant. So that is what you need to do in order to prolong the service life of your thermostat. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this video regarding some of the top causes of a thermostat failure. That is all we have for you in this video. If you like what has been presented and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.